Hello friends, today my topic is how to engage your child when you are traveling by train, plane or having some short trips. Kids are these days addicted to gadgets and it's very disturbing when I see this. I try many other options to engage my child. You can try too. Firstly, I carry some color books with the crayons because kids are always attracted to the colors. Secondly, you can carry some word search books, which I also carry. Some mandala books with the sketch pens and the brush pens because they like doing mandala. Some brain boosting activity books which kills their boredoms, and also it's a very good thing for the time pass. You can also carry some picture books and story books as per their age. It should not be very literature type, so that they can just browse and reread again and again. If the kids are writing some diary or any journal, you can carry some beautiful diaries also, so that they can write the experience what they are seeing by traveling. You can also carry some games like Uno games or Ludo games or flashcard games, which also kills the boredom and it's very good and good time pass things. And lastly, a beautiful cutie bag so that they can carry their own luggage by themselves. Yes, I always do all these things to engage my child, and I prefer giving a child a book than a gadget. Try, it's not very impossible, but give a try. Good luck.